So I picked up these headphones, these wireless earbuds, on Amazon. I thought I'd share this with you guys in case you're looking for earbuds from Amazon. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'll do it later. I'll do a review. Just take them out and look at them. So you get your charge cable, instructions, extra earpieces, and here is the earbuds in the case. The case is pretty heavy actually. Let's pull this off. So the cover does open up pretty hard, so it's good that you won't lose them. And then you got your earbuds in here. So yeah. So they're in there charging. Whoop. And it shows the charge. Cool. Looks kind of weird on camera when it's recording how it's working. But I thought I'd share that with you guys just in case you guys are looking for a set of earbuds. These are from Amazon. And now you know which ones they are. There's no name though. Just says True Wireless headset. So I'll use these for about a week, and you can see right to the top. It's transparent. You can see right in there and see what the charge is. What is the battery life on these? So it's wireless and unlimited. Real wireless, calling and music, battery capacity. I don't know exactly how much battery. I think there's 5,000 milliamp the case. And it was up to 36 hours, I do believe, playtime. I'll share pictures in here right now so you can see what I purchased and the battery life and all that stuff. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good one.